Hello guys, welcome to my channel all about products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. Life can get busy, but keeping up with daily dust and dirt doesn't have to slow you down with their Roomba 600. Series vacuuming robot from iRobot. It doesn't have to. You don't even have to be at home to do the cleaning. The iRobot Home app allows you to clean and schedule on the go. Just press clean and the robot goes to work, navigating around your home to find dust and dirt wherever they hide. Cleaning along walls and sweeping dirt from edges and corners, the Roomba vacuuming robot moves easily from hard floors to carpet and over thresholds. It cleans under furniture around clutter and avoids stairs. Another drop-offs. The patented 3-stage cleaning system loosens lip section, dirt, dust, and even large debris. Roomba 600 series cleans for up to 60 minutes, then automatically returns to the home-based charging station so it's always ready to clean. You can schedule the robot to vacuum every day of the week, and with the iRobot Home app, you can connect to clean from anywhere, anytime. Introducing the Window Cleaner Robot, your smart cleaning assistant. With a unique anti-clogging spray nozzle and 3 auto-cleaning modes, it meets all your needs effortlessly. Control it manually with the remote for efficient, fast cleaning. Its powerful 2,800 Pascal suction ensures stable absorption, while the built-in 600 mAh battery and 50 milliliter water tank keep it running smoothly. Say goodbye to dirty windows with ease. Present the Mirage T50-liter motion sensor trash can innovations for the modern home. Designed with an automatic motion sensor with a 5-second interactive countdown and soft closing lid. Simply touch to stay open or close fits. Standard kitchen trash bags without slipping liner free to hold more trash stands. Flush against the wall to save space and fingerprint resistant for an always clean look, eco-sensible eco-living. Introducing the electric spin scrubber, the perfect cleaning companion. Easily install and switch between multiple brush heads for targeted cleaning. With a press-to-start design and 3 adjustable speeds, it tackles everything from deep gaps to curved surfaces. The hard bristle brush cleans tough stains without damage, while the wire brush sweeps away stubborn grime. A polishing soft brush adds the perfect finishing touch. Cordless and rechargeable, it's your go-to for effortless cleaning. Introducing the desktop vacuum cleaner, your compact cleaning solution. With USB charging, a detachable design, and a powerful vacuum nozzle, it easily removes dust and crumbs from tables, keyboards, pianos, and even papers. The portable, lightweight build makes it perfect for quick and effortless cleaning. Keep your space spotless with ease. Introducing the all-in-one laptop cleaning kit, the ultimate solution for a spotless device. Designed for MacBook, iPad, iPhone, and more, it features a compact brush, spray, and tools for keyboards, screens, and earbuds. Keep your gadgets dust-free and crystal clear with ease. Introducing Robot Vacuum and Mop, with a 9mm auto-lift mopping technology and a powerful 11,000 pass section T30, effortlessly addresses the challenges of carpet cleaning with zero tangle T. 30 boasts a dual-comb T3 and an anti-static V-shaped roller brush, achieving a tingling rate as low as 0%. T30 works with Google Assistant and Alexa. Keep your home and car spotless with the portable vacuum cleaner. Featuring 2 powerful modes and strong suction, it cleans efficiently and fast. Switch between multiple nozzles for deep cleaning in every crevice, even in the dark with its built-in LED light. Push-button design makes dust disposal effortless, and the washable filter ensures long-term use. Fast charging and always ready, clean anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.